The Tools menu is where admins can enable and track NetCloud's extensibility solutions. From the SDK tab, you can add applications built with the Software Developer's Kit feature. The NetCloud API tab is where users generate NetCloud API keys. The NetCloud Application Programming Interface is a means of programmatically interfacing with third-party systems or applications to share data easily and securely. You'll find links to documentation on how to use the API here. The third tab is for the container and group container orchestration. On this page, users can enable Docker containers or SDK applications to run on select Ericsson Cradlepoint routers, enabling edge compute functionality. The Integrations menu is the ultimate easy button. This is where admins can set up bidirectional data interactions between NetCloud Manager and certain third-party commercial environments, all without a lot of technical expertise. If an organization is already using these third-party solutions, the pre-built integrations provide point-and-click configuration.